Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switcher. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money.
What's up guys, welcome back to this week's video. So my initial plan for this week's video was to go out and get a wheel for the 1,000 subscriber surprise mod. I was gonna get a wheel, OEM wheel, but then I posted a another Instagram poll, and most of you guys voted for an aftermarket rim. The thing is, I went out and I went to look at a couple of aftermarket rims. I wasn't too happy with that, and that just threw me off completely for this week's video. So there wasn't going to be a video because that threw me off, and then the wheel that I wanted to get got sold, so I was stuck with nothing to do for this week. So fortunately, Josh and Wade needed to do something to their cars this week, so they are coming through and I'm just waiting for them to arrive. Josh, he dropped his car, he put some coilovers in his ST, and his father drove his car and took his lip off, so he had his lip remade, so we're gonna fit that today. And then he also got him some side skirts that he made. Wade put in an exhaust yesterday by Don on his 135i, and then he got himself a rear diffuser that we will be fitting today. So that's what we'll be working on today. I'm just waiting for them to arrive and then we can get straight into it. So it's the OEM diffuser, the new pipes that he put on last week, and then he's gonna replace it with the new one. Wait, where does this come from?
Oh, it's just aftermarket one for this.
Okay, so it's just the aftermarket diffuser, and then he's also got the mesh over here that he's gonna put in these caps over here. So I think there's just tins under here, the side and that side, and then might have to drill holes in the new one, and then it should just fit in directly and straight on.
Hey, Bill, I'm in the mood for a switcher. I hit the function, hit the rose till I hiccup. I hit the stage and leave with money that's a sticker.
There we go. That was like, wait, that took you like 5 minutes, not even 5 minutes to do. It's all off. It's just a couple of, how many screws are there? There's actually a lot. I thought there was 2. There's 6. There's 6.
And then just clips on top.
You can see how the exhaust look. Very nice job by Don.
Don, bro. So Joshua, do you see it?
Ja, it's a stacking, yeah, stacking weaker in here.
Like here, no? I'm pulling this at the bottom, then if I screw it in, it's going to be like that. Flush. If I screw it in. But
Pull
this
that
I don't
side.
like.
So we ran into a bit of a problem. It's slightly off. Like I always say in my previous videos, aftermarket stuff, not the most reliable. We're trying to figure out something. We even got Zana here. Zana is the main guy here. But yeah, we're gonna try and sort it out. I'm not sure if we're gonna fix it. As you can see, the gap on the side is quite big. But we're gonna see if we can figure something out.
Joshua had the idea of centering it in the middle, no? Then I would have had an even gap on each side and not that big one there and a small one here.
Okay, so we got fitment a bit better. We just put it in and then tried to pull it closer and screw it in. So fitment's a bit better. They suggested we put some Sikaflex in the gap. I don't know how Wade feels about that. Are you happy with that, Wade?
Yeah, it's okay.
So the person we bought the diffuser from, he said that we should put Sikaflex in the gap.
It fits fine, like from
Overall, afar you don't really see
overall
it.
position is fine.
So while Wade decides what he's gonna do, me and Josh is gonna start tackling his before the sun goes down. We can still take a drive if we finish in time. The plan would be to use the current holes just to keep it up once it's in place, and then we'll drill a couple of new holes in the lip and to the bumper, and then hopefully that will take a couple of minutes or not too long to fit that, and then once that's done we can start drilling and putting the side skirts as well. Front's on, nice and secure. Drilled a couple of holes in. Now we'll tackle the sides. The size is new, so we don't have any holes in the front. We took off, or the front came off, so we just had holes in already, so we still need to drill holes in here. I think I'm gonna have Wade help keep it up, Josh keep this side, and then I'll just drill the holes in. So it came out quite nice. We're gonna just check how it looks when it's down, but this is the side splits fitted, and then got the front look on. So he's feeling a bit more confident. He's got Zana's brother's car here as well. Another 135i. He's fitting the black back on the back diffuser on this one as well.
After this, we're all buying C60 okay. Come see. You go. I pulled it a lot.
And the
Short bro. That. You see, you don't see it.
Wade's got this one on, and now he's busy just putting the mesh on his, and then he can fit it to the bumper.
Yeah, flex, I just wanna win. Yeah, LABB who we running with. Yeah, 2233, I'm on 10 again. Yeah, state your name. Big been dope on flame. I just switched the lanes. Damn me.
I'm gonna leave it like this.
Oh, we finally done. What's the time now, Zana?
I don't have time on you now.
Half past 4 on the dot.
4. We started like 12 o'clock, so it took us 4.5 hours to get the 135i. Well, both 135i's. Joshua's car, we finally got it done. I'll show you now. 4 hours. Sun is probably setting sooner, Wade. So I don't think we're gonna get the
late lunch now.
Yeah, we're gonna have some lunch. I don't think we're gonna get a drive in.
Tomorrow's raining, next weekend.
Tomorrow's raining as well, so yeah. So maybe we'll take a drive, and Wade's been begging me to take some photos of the car, so we'll go take some pictures as well, get some video clips as well. But yeah, it came out quite nice. Wade did a good job with the aftermarket thing. I thought we weren't gonna fit it today, but he actually made a plan, he made it work. He put the mesh in, everything. So Josh is dropping his car now, and then we should be done for the day. So Wade's a bit upset that the tailpiece, he put the new exhaust on, and there's the M emblems on the tailpiece, and you can't see it now, the M performance. So that's the only upsetting part, but maybe he's gonna just redo that exhaust so you can see it, pull it out a bit more. But other than that, it's really nice. He's not gonna put Sikaflex on like we initially said. Only if you come closer you can really see the gap, but from afar it looks decent. So that's it for this week's video. Something a little bit different, but I apologize for not having content on the Mark 1, but there is going to be weeks where there's not content, or I can't do something with the Mark 1, and then I will bring in other cars and I'll try to put in content for you on a weekly basis. So just bear with me with that when I don't post videos regarding the Mark 1. I'll try, like I said, I'll try and post weekly, and then when I can't do something on the Mark 1, I'll try and do something on other cars as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Thanks for all of you guys supporting, liking, commenting and everything. I appreciate it. Yeah, that's it for this week's video. I'll see you guys next week. Peace.